Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 12 super useful tools and accessories that every professional should have in their arsenal. Whether you're a woodworker, metalworker, or DIY enthusiast, these gadgets will make your projects smoother, safer, and more efficient. Let's get started. Number 1. Finding the perfect center of a circle just got easier with the 14-inch Circle Center Finder tool. Whether you're working on woodworking, wood turning, or crafting precise designs, this tool takes the guesswork out of the equation. It's designed with clear markings, making it simple to locate the exact center of timber, dowels, or other circular pieces. Just place it over your material, align the ruler guides, and mark your center with confidence. It also functions as a protractor, a circle maker, and a compass, helping you achieve accurate angles and curves with ease. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, this sturdy, reliable tool ensures precision in every project. No more manual calculations or messy measurements. Just a straightforward, efficient way to get perfect alignment every time. Whether you're drilling, shaping, or designing, this Center Finder ruler is a must-have for anyone who values accuracy and efficiency in their work. Number 2. The Lexivon Butane Torch Multifunction Kit is designed for precision and versatility, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're soldering wires, crafting wood-burning designs, or working on heat shrink tubing, this compact but powerful tool delivers reliable performance. The adjustable flame control lets you fine-tune the heat output, ranging from ½ an inch to 2 inches, with temperatures reaching up to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Its hands-free operation, thanks to the attachable base stand, allows for stable, steady work. Built to last, the 100% metal fuel tank outperforms common plastic alternatives, ensuring durability. The torch is pre-tested for both leakage and ignition reliability, so you can trust its performance. A large fuel capacity offers up to 2 hours of continuous use, while refilling takes only 15 seconds, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. If you need a dependable, versatile tool for high-precision applications, this butane torch is a solid choice. Number 3. The Solderace Cordless Soldering Iron Kit is a game-changer for anyone needing fast, precise soldering. It heats up in just 12 seconds, letting you start your projects instantly. With advanced PWM temperature control, you enjoy steady heat between 392 degrees Fahrenheit and 842 degrees Fahrenheit to create reliable solder joints every time. The kit offers both wireless and wired modes, thanks to its 2,600 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing up to 60 minutes of cordless work while also supporting USB-C charging. A large LED display shows real-time temperature and battery status, and switching between Celsius and Fahrenheit is effortless. Built with a robust aluminum alloy body and premium C210 tips, it dissipates heat quickly and remains stable for extended use. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, this soldering iron is perfect for intricate tasks and on-the-go repairs. It truly elevates your soldering experience. With its fast heat-up and precise controls, every project becomes smoother and more enjoyable. Number 4. For those looking for a practical and secure way to keep your MIG welding torch in check, this magnetic MIG welding torch holder is an absolute asset in your workshop. Its surface is treated with an anti-rust coating after thorough electroplating and polishing to ensure a smooth and durable finish. The strong magnetic base quickly attaches to any steel or iron surface, providing a stable and safe spot for your torch. Using SC 4.8 screws and nuts, the design ensures reliability even in busy work environments. The powerful magnet lets you hang the holder upside down under your workbench to keep the torch off debris while neatly organizing the wires. Versatile and universally designed, it fits various TIG and MIG welding torches, as well as plasma cutting guns, making it an indispensable tool for keeping your workspace efficient and organized. This holder truly enhances overall safety, efficiency, and workflow throughout your projects. Number 5. The WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant with Smart Straw. Sprays two ways is an incredibly versatile solution for maintaining and protecting a wide range of surfaces. It works effortlessly on metal, rubber, vinyl, plastic, and many other materials, making it perfect for locks, chains, pulleys, hinges, valves, cables, and more. Its professional-grade triple-action formula not only lubricates, but also safeguards surfaces against the harsh effects of natural elements. Once applied, it dries quickly to form a clear and thin protective film that never leaves a sticky residue. This reliable formulation is trusted by experts around the world to deliver consistent performance every time. Designed for both industrial and household use, it ensures your equipment and everyday objects remain in top shape with less effort. Choose WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant for a hassle-free, efficient way to enhance durability and performance in your projects. Experience the true difference in measured quality. Number 6. Imagine transforming your gardening and yard work with the K-Brands Auger drill bit for planting. This value pack includes two easy-to-use premium auger bits that quickly attach to any standard 3/8 hex bit drill, making digging effortless. With these versatile tools in hand, you can quickly create neat holes for planting bulbs and bedding plants, as well as for installing fence posts, ground lights, outdoor torches, and even umbrellas. Say goodbye to sore hands and blisters from manual digging as these heavy-duty 16-inch steel drill bits cut your work time in half. Whether you're dealing with loose soil, compacted ground, sand, clay, or even ice, these bits are designed to make your life easier. Enjoy the convenience and efficiency of a tool that lets you ditch your shovel and tackle any yard work project with confidence and less strain. Experience the difference and enjoy a more productive, stress-free gardening session today. Number 7. Introducing the Elide 31-piece hex key set that brings both style and function to your toolbox. Made from premium heat-treated steel with a sleek black oxide finish, this set includes 15 long reach keys and 16 high leverage short keys, ensuring you have the right tool for any hexagon socket screw. The conventional drive ends allow for high leverage, making even stubborn fixings a breeze to handle. A handy torque handle is included to boost your force and make loading or unloading fasteners easier, adding a level of precision and performance that you can count on. This comprehensive kit covers both SAE and metric sizes, ranging from 0.7 millimeters to 10 millimeters for metric and 0.028 inches to 3/8 inches for SAE, so you're ready for any job. Each wrench has clear markings for easy size selection, and the sturdy carrying case keeps everything organized and handy. It's a must-have addition overall. Number 8. This drill bit sharpener tool is a true game changer for anyone using an angle grinder. Crafted to work with a 125mm angle grinder, it accommodates drill bits between 2mm and 13mm, making it versatile for various applications. Its distinct orange circular design features multiple sized holes and adjustable side screws, allowing for a secure and tailored mounting on your grinder. The installation process is straightforward and user-friendly. Just attach it onto your grinder, tighten the screws, insert your drill bit into the corresponding hole, and watch as the precision-engineered slots restore its edge. By efficiently sharpening your drill bits, this tool extends their usable life, saving both time and money on replacement expenses. You no longer need to worry about dull bits slowing your progress. With this accessory in your workshop, you can confidently take on any project knowing your drill bits are always at peak performance. Enjoy flawless performance. Number 9. When you need to keep your workspace organized and your tools readily accessible, the WorkPro Magnetic Screwdriver Organizer and Wrench Organizer is an excellent solution. It features a heavy-duty aluminum rail with a sleek red anodized finish that not only adds style, but also provides durable, corrosion-resistant performance. Strong magnets hold your screwdrivers, wrenches, and other tools securely in place, preventing accidental drops. With 36 slots available, organizing your tools becomes quick and effortless. saving time and reducing workspace clutter. The flexible high-tension clips are adjustable and designed to accommodate various tool sizes, fitting wrenches up to 7 mm thick and screwdrivers with a maximum diameter of 5 mm. Each rack supports up to 7.5 pounds, ensuring stability during heavy use. Perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this organizer delivers convenience, efficiency, and reliable performance, making it a must-have addition to any workshop. It truly enhances your overall professional work life. Number 10. Looking for a spade drill bit set that delivers clean, effortless drilling? The Jorgensen 14-piece spade drill bit set with quick load connector does exactly that. It features a self-feeding threaded tip that prevents clogging and wandering, while double-sided cutting spurs ensure cleaner holes and reduced breakage. The deep flute paddle design quickly removes chips, and the impact-resistant shaft boosts durability, making these bits perfect for woodworking, electrical, and plumbing tasks. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, they handle tough jobs with ease. The 1/4-inch hex shank is compatible with quick-change impact drills and drill drivers, supporting speeds up to 1,500 RPM without slipping. This versatile set includes 13 high-performance spade drill bits in various sizes, plus a quick load connector that allows one-handed operation and faster bit changes. It's an efficient, reliable solution that simplifies drilling and improves your project workflow. Experience effortless drilling and enjoy enhanced productivity with every use. Number 11. King & Charles Cabinet Handle. Jig with automatic center punch is a brilliant solution for smooth and precise installation of handles and pulls on drawers and doors. Instead of risking jitter by drilling directly with an electric drill, this innovative jig uses an automatic center punch to mark pilot holes with pinpoint accuracy. Once the initial hole is punched, you can drill the larger opening without any shaking. The tool comes with metric and imperial scale markings, featuring high-definition tick marks on ABS and a stainless steel ruler, ensuring durability in any workshop. Its detachable design and quick-release drill guide sliders make it easy to break down and store, with a handy storage bag for added convenience. This jig saves time by eliminating repeated measurements and aligning parts correctly the first time, making every installation efficient and hassle-free. Perfect for any cabinet or door project, it guarantees a professional finish every time. Number 12. Milescraft Hinge Jig Plus is a game-changer for anyone installing door hinges. This complete hinge installation kit makes it easy to route precise mortises for door hinges ranging from 2.5 inches to 4.5 inches. Its dual clamping, padded self-clamping design sets up quickly and protects your doors from damage caused by mounting screws or nails. With adjustable settings, you can use it on doors with thicknesses of either 1 3/8 inch or 1 3/4 inch, ensuring versatility on any standard door. This ingenious jig lets you cut professional hinge mortises with 1/4 inch, 5/8 inch, or square corners using a chisel. Its unique design eliminates the need for multiple inserts when routing different corner radii. The kit also includes strike and latch plates to complete your installation. Save time on measurements and achieve a flawless professional finish every time with this must-have tool. It is perfect for woodworkers, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike.